Let's start with something nice but simple. We'll make a self-watering flower pot. First of all, we cut off the top and bottom parts of the bottle, unscrew the lid and make a hole in it. Cut about 10 cm of a lace or a thread, pass it through the hole, and fix it on the lid with a knot. We can plant a pineapple or any other plant. Fill the bottom parts of the bottle with water and water the ground. Our homemade craft from a plastic bottle will make taking care of plants considerably easier, as they will automatically get the amount of water they need through the lace from the bottom parts of the bottle. If your mom or grandma is always asking you to hold the threads when they are knitting, I'm sure that a thread holder from a plastic bottle will be very useful. First, we cut off the top cone and leave a kind of a tail, at the end of which we need to make a hole equal to the bottle neck. Now we just need to put the ball into our useful handcraft and bend the tail. Then start knitting. If you decided to make a nice present for your mother or your girl, but even the tools for handcrafting are quite expensive nowadays, don't worry, as you can make a cool bracelet or even a couple of them with only a plastic bottle. To make one, we just need to cut out a plastic ring and smooth the edges with an iron. To give it a finished look, you can paint it in any color or even polish it. Now look at the beauty we've got here. Such a present will be twice as pleasant to get, not just because it's nice, but also because it's made with love and care. You know that feeling when you just can't find that pencil or a pen. So why not make a holder from a bottle for them? Just cut off the top and bottom parts. Then make a hole in the lid and also in the bottom. Then we should connect the two elements with a bolt and a nut. Our organizer will not only help you keep stuff in one place, but it also has some extra utility, as there are two sections. The top one is for pencils, pens and crayons, and the lower one is for small things, clips, pins or erasers. So you won't need to pour out all the pencils from the cone to find the clip that was hiding at the bottom. So, if you're at the dorms or just after moving and you didn't have time to buy a holder for the toilet paper, you can make a temporary one using a 5-liter plastic bottle. To make it, we need to cut the top part off and make a hole on each side. Now take the roll and pierce it with a barbecue stick. 1 minute and our holder is ready. By the way guys, thank you very much for all the support on the previous part. So keep it up and the next one will be on its way.
Всем пока-пока!
Stay safe, see you in the next video.